Hello kids, welcome to Woku. Hello kids, welcome to Woku Online Kids TV. Today we learn 2D shape, shape name square, shape name triangle, shape name heart, shape name star, shape name circle, shape name trapezoid. So let us start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Color, black color. Shape name square, shape square. Square. Next shape triangle. Shape name triangle. Next shape heart. Shape name heart. Next shape star. Shape name star. Shape name star. Next shape circle. Shape name circle. Next shape trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Color blue color. Shape square. Shape square. Shape square. Next shape triangle. Color purple color. Shape triangle. Shape triangle. Shape triangle. Orange color. Shape heart. Shape heart. Shape heart. Light sky blue color. Shape star. Shape star. Shape star. Gray color. Shape circle. Shape circle. Shape circle. Shape circle. Color yellow color. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Shape name trapezoid. Let's revise. Shape square, triangle, heart, star, circle, and trapezoid again. Shape name square, shape name star, shape name triangle, shape name circle, shape name heart, shape name trapezoid. If you learn this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.